Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to Bless once again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can come up with a delicious Nigerian gala, guys. So in my recipe here I have my all-purpose flour, I have salt, I have baking powder, I have 3 eggs, I have salt, I have turmeric powder, I have meat spice, I have olive oil, I have curry. You won't believe that all this thing is going to go to this my mixer, my blender. Okay, and I have this parmesan, I don't know, it's like such sausage roll. Okay, it's like sausage roll, and I'm gonna use it to do this gala recipe. So I have milk. Milk will serve as water for me. I will get in milk flavors because I want the gala to have that milky flavor. Okay, so guys, I have 4 tablespoons of butter because my flour is 4 cups of flour. 1 cup to 1 tablespoon of butter, and this is my nutmeg. As you can see, has fell inside. I will not blend all this nutmeg. I will be blending half of it. Okay, so I'm using 3 eggs as you guys can see. So I will go in now, mix my salt, my sugar, my flour, my butter, my baking powder. I'm going to use 1 full spoon of baking powder in this recipe. So guys, I have added my flour, 4 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, So guys, I will go in and mix my flour very well. Okay, so I mix it in a large bowl. I am using my hand to do this mixing. Okay, so before I'll add the milk with the drops of milk flavor on it. Okay, okay guys, I will break in my 3 eggs. I have made a hole in the center of the flour mixture. I will add my 3 eggs, and I'll first will start working with 1 cup of milk. Okay, okay guys, I have added 3 eggs and 1 cup of milk. I will mix it, and if I need more milk, I will be adding it. Guys, I have already mixed them. I have kneaded them with my 2 hands. As you can see, this is the consistency we have got. So I will tie it and let it settle for about 30 minutes. Okay, while I get into prepare the filling. Okay, I have wrapped it now. I will set it aside. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, I have already diced the sausage. Okay, I have added half a cup of olive oil. I don't know, you cannot, if it's possible, don't add water, but I feel to add my olive oil was the best option. So I added my meat. As you can see, I added my meat spice, I added a little bit of curry powder. I will get in now to blend it, and I will show you guys the outcome. Okay guys, this is how it looks right now, and I am beginning to think that it's better I add some flour to hold it inside. So I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of flour in a lukewarm water, okay, and add it and mix it together, so that when it's baked, and it will hold the filling inside together, okay, like original Nigerian Gala. Okay, welcome back. I have added the 2 tablespoons of flour with a quarter cup of lukewarm water in my filling. Okay, this is, I don't know, it just come to me to do it like that. This is even the first time of me doing this Gala. I will try for it to come out perfect. Everything there is first time. Okay, so this is my own way of making my Gala. Please guys, help me to share this videos. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Not let you guys down. I will not let you guys down at all. So I will be coming up with so many things that you guys have to learn from. So I will go ahead and cover my blender and blend it right now while I showed you guys. Hello beautiful one, I have already added everything in this meat, but do you know what? Let me just give you a little secret of how I come up with this beautiful color, guys. But I needed to do it off my camera, and when it works, I need to talk about it. Do you know that if you are a baker and you have some food coloring, which we normally put in our icing when we are making cake, okay, I added a little bit, just 1 chicken on it. Hey, it now give me the exact color I have been wishing to have. Look at it, guys. Look at, is it not like original? I am not a professional, but guys, anything I dream of, I will come off with it. I must make it. So when I will be putting it inside my dough, you guys can call the results. I added bechikom. It's for those people that understand the Igbo. I added bechikom of the food color, bechikom, and it just gave me a beautiful color. Guys, give it a try. Okay, just give it a try. Can you see that I blended everything together? I have been wishing to do this video, but you know, I have it in my mind. I was like, I wonder I will do it. You know, if you are a creative person, nothing is impossible for you. Just give it a try. Everybody is gifted in so many ways. Okay, one love, guys. Wait until I come up with the last result, and I wish it will come up good. Okay, so guys, it have set now. Okay, so if you like to have the accurate measurement, guys, measure like 150 grams of dough. I didn't measure it though, but I believe that 100 to 150 grams of dough can do for the Gala. Okay guys, I quickly have to explain this. I have rolled out the dough about 12 by 8. This is 8 and this is 12. Okay, so guys, this is the amount of the mixture I added. So I will roll. Okay, so I have fixed it. I will flat it with my spatula. I hope you guys can see. I'll gather it together before I start folding it into a shape, into a square, rectangular shape, right angle shape. This is beautiful. Then after I finish, I will press the ends. Okay, So guys, as I'm doing it, I am pressing it down like this so that the mixture can pop out a little bit and you can patch it. So guys, it's very ready right now. I have sliced it. You can use this thing to take any kind of drink you want. This is very delicious, my people. You won't believe it's my first time trying it out. Guys, please help me to share the video. I'm going to show you guys the long part of it. Okay guys, this is it right now. You can't believe it's my first time of trying this out. It's not that I don't have the recipe on my head, but I have not tried it for the first time, so I desire to share it with you guys. This is very delicious. Please help me to share the video. Okay, give it a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section below. Okay.